I'm not quite sure what I want, right?
Okay.
But I will tell you one of the things that I find frustrating, like I end up with these pieces like here,
Okay.
and I feel like the haircut always starts out great, but then it's the way that my hair grows out afterwards.
Okay.
This part seems to grow a lot faster than it does up here. I don't care. Like I'm open to just about anything. I like the idea of like something interesting going on in the back.
Okay. So you're thinking of taking it up.
Taking it up because I don't like these pieces like that. I prefer it to sort of lay in my face.
Okay. Similar to what it's doing right now.
But obviously better. Like this is the part of the problem.
Okay. So when you say better, tell me what you're not liking about this.
the shape that's happening right now.
Okay.
I don't think my hair naturally wants to do this. I've been making it do this. A lot of times I get frustrated and I pull it back into a puff, or I just make it like really big this way.
Okay.
Because the bangs don't want to bang.
Okay.
Does that make sense at all? No. Right. So,
I'm trying to figure it out as you're talking.
Yeah.
Is it because you are shorter in the front? Like you're a bit
I am shorter in the front. I think ultimately what I really need is a better shape. My initial haircut is always good. It's the growing out that turns into something else that I end up not
I
liking.
feel like when your hair starts to grow out, however, and it gets to like that awkward point where it's not doing what it did when you originally cut it, it's time for a haircut. Like that's the sign.
Yeah.
It's hard for the hair to grow out seamless, you know, for 8 months and, you know, still be as when you first did it,
Yeah.
you know, in all fairness to the hair.
And
That's the way it's falling at the front. I like how it's falling at the front.
Okay.
And in terms of like reshaping it, I'm not sure how much more we can take off of this without
Yeah.
it being micro bangs.
No, I don't, and I don't want.
Do you know what I
microbangs.
mean?
Yeah.
What's happening too? You're looser underneath here. So
Maybe
it
that's
might
what it
feel
is.
to you like this is growing faster.
Yeah.
It's not. It's just that it's looser,
looser.
so it hangs lower versus I can see your texture up and through here and even around here, you're tighter. So
Yeah.
it shrinks in more.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So that is always going to happen. No matter the haircut that you get,
Okay.
that's always going to happen because that is what your textures do.
It never occurred to me that it's not the same all over. and
Yeah.
that maybe what I need to do is to cut it up here so that it looks more seamless. I don't know if my problem is now like the styling, the self-styling, right? When somebody else does my hair, I come out and I'm like, woo!
Right.
But then when I do it myself, it's very inconsistent. I think ultimately what I really need is a better shape.
Okay.
And then maybe my hair will fall into a place that I like. I feel like what I really want is sort of a bob that's kind of round, a round bob.
Okay.
I like this.
Okay.
I like that.
You're not far from these
Right.
pictures. Because really what's missing, what I see, is right in here.
Yes.
That's it. Like the length, you're pretty much at the same length that
Yeah.
these ladies are. It's just that in here, you're missing in here.
Yeah.
Right?
So like I'm missing the shaping here. That's
I'm not going to say you're missing the shape. It's just that you're tighter in here. So this jumps in.
Okay.
So all you're seeing is the length down here. Right? Have you ever tried stretch styling in the areas that are a little bit tighter just to elongate them a little bit more to see more length?
No.
Okay.
I don't think I have. No.
Okay. Because that's something that you can do unless you're always going to have the back short. Like, are you okay
Right.
with just keeping it short basically forever? Because this is always going to elongate more
Yeah.
than here and here.
Maybe I am. I don't think I've ever been able to articulate that.
You can bring this up or you can stretch this so it meets this.
Okay.
It does mean a little bit more work when you're styling because you're manipulating the curl a bit, right? But if you do want to have like a similar look to that where it is a bit longer, it just means manipulating those tighter areas.
Yeah.
Okay, let's decide how short you want to go. If you do want to bring this up, let's decide how short you want to go because that inspo is longer.
Okay.
Like the second inspo that you showed me, it is a longer look versus the very first one, we're definitely taking off all of the back.
If we take off all the back, it'll be kind of like stacked. Is that?
Let's play around with the look a
okay.
little bit. Like, are you comfortable seeing this?
I think so.
Can I tell you? I don't like it.
Okay.
I think it just looks a little mushroomy,
Okay, well, I don't want
and
that.
I don't like that for you.
And I don't want mushroomy, and I don't want triangle-y. I want round.
Right. We have to hold on to some of the length
Okay.
in the back right.
That's fine.
Yeah, we have to.
All right.
Otherwise, we're up in this area right here. And like I said, I don't feel like I like that on you.
Okay.
I'll show you how to style these corners a little bit to get a little bit more length around your face so it does frame your face a little bit better than being so like shrunken in.
Okay.
Cool?
Sounds great.
All right.
Woo!